In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a pop-up effect in Canva that makes your subject look like it's coming out of the frame. This effect is perfect for YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, and eye-catching promotional graphics. The best part is you don't need any advanced design skills to pull this off. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can choose any size you want, but if you're making a YouTube thumbnail, select the YouTube thumbnail preset so you get the correct dimensions. Once your blank canvas is open, the first step is to add your background. You can either choose a solid color, a gradient, or a background image from the Elements or Photos tab. Pick something that contrasts nicely with your subject so the pop-up effect really stands out. Next, upload the image of the person or object you want to pop out. Go to the Uploads tab, click Upload Files, and select your image. Once it's uploaded, drag it onto your canvas and resize it so it fills most of the frame. Now here's where the magic happens. Click on the image, then select Edit Photo in the top toolbar. Choose the Background Remover tool and let Canva automatically remove the background. This works best with clear, high-quality images. After the background is removed, click Apply. Now you have a clean cutout of your subject. Position it roughly where you want it to appear popping out from the frame. The next step is to add a frame element. Go to Elements and search for Square Frame or Rectangle Frame. Choose a simple square or rectangular frame and place it in the center of your canvas. Resize it to create a border area where your subject will appear to pop out. Now duplicate your cutout image by selecting it and pressing Ctrl-D or Command-D. You should now have two identical cutouts layered on top of each other. Drag one of the cutouts into the frame element until it snaps into place inside the frame. Adjust the crop so it looks natural within the frame boundaries. Here's the key step. Select the second cutout image, the one not inside the frame, and position it perfectly over the framed version. Then use the Erase tool inside Edit Photo if needed to carefully remove the parts that should appear behind the frame, leaving only the areas like a head, hand, or object extending outside the border. This creates the illusion that the subject is breaking out of the frame. To enhance the effect, click on the top cutout image, go to Edit Photo, and add a subtle shadow from the Shadow section. A drop shadow or glow can add depth and make the pop-up effect look more realistic. Adjust the blur, transparency, and direction until it looks natural. You can also add a slight shadow to the frame itself for extra dimension. Finally, tweak the background colors, add text, or include graphic elements to complete your design. Make sure your subject clearly overlaps the frame so the pop-out effect is obvious even at a small size. Once you're happy with the result, click Share and then Download to export your design in high quality. And that's it. That's how you create a pop-up effect in Canva step by step. It's simple, powerful, and perfect for making your design stand out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.